Alright, welcome guys, welcome back to another vlog video. So lately we had a little leak coming down from the radiator. When we put fluid in, we had to take a pause on that. So we had a little bit more work done to do, but other than that, we're just planning on getting the battery back together and then just going for the first startup. Honestly, it's already starting to rain. Good shit. Yeah. Oh, I did not expect that. That is sick.
Let's go. This thing sounds fucking mean, dude. It just feels like it's got power.
Alright, so he's just trying to pull the Mustang into the backyard here just so we can have room to pull the E46 back out here just a bit, just to get a feeling of the car moving. It's so fucking loud. It's dumb loud. But it's okay. We got it running. I know it needs a big fat wash, but honestly, it's too cold for that. So the main thing was to get it back to get the motor back in the car and get it running, and then we can go for test drive.
Let's go for good to go?
Yeah.
See what happens.
Oh man. Go to the store then? Since we're out here now?
We're not overheating, so fuck it.
Yeah. I got my wallet.
It feels good.
Dude, I can't wait to try it back.
It's good. It definitely needs a tune. Like,
yeah, it needs a tune bad. Dude, oh, the burble sounds good. There should be like a, is this it? Oh no, it's this.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But I can't tell if it's on or not. I just pressed it. Alright, we're here at our local parts store. We're gonna get some power steering, as you can hear it. Wow. We need power steering fluid, that's funny. Word. I'm hyped, bro. That's fine. Alright, so we got the power steering fluid in now, so we probably won't hear those noises anymore. But we'll see. I think we're good. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna put my
no dingers.
Yeah, let's wait for this guy.
Alright, go. You're good.
Oh, it feels so good.
It's so different, right?
Yeah, it's different.
I am really surprised that it's
Try
like
downshift?
Yeah, if you want, you could try, but okay, that was actually not bad.
Dude, what the fuck? It just feels so easy to press the gas now.
It's
so
responsive,
different.
right?
It's like,
and that's without the tune.
Yeah.
This tune's gonna make it crazy. There you go. Gotta keep them up there. So this is first, but look, that's reverse. That's over. But this is first, second, So like feel first and second. That's all you really need to know. Just feel how short that is.
All right, reverse, and then first,
yeah,
second, third, fourth,
yeah,
and then fifth.
Yeah, fifth. There's no six.
Sixth. No pops after like high idle.
I know.
There's no more pops. It's when you shift it pops really good, but
this manifold really opens up top end.
I can't even imagine this car off a tune.
That's what I'm saying. Like, and this is not supposed to be this good.
God damn, boy. This is stupid.
Oh, God.
Oh,
that's crazy.
This is cooked. Very gnarly, guys. I want one. Is this even legal?
Yeah. Yeah, it's all OEM.
This is so cool.
We didn't do anything. We just replaced. It looks pretty sick. Like everything's back together with the short shifter.
It's a little shakier, but it's definitely more responsive with the motor mounts too.
All right. How's the alignment?
Motor mounts. You gotta remember that.
Yeah, true. Does the steering wheel shake or no?
A little bit to the right.
Probably the alignment. Yeah. It's the alignment.
A little shaking it, tiny bit.
500.
But so far we're in
a lot of work.
A lot more money and a lot more work.
Yeah, how much money did you put into it?
Oh fuck, look at
Not a lot. Oh, the hood open.
Fucking piece of shit.
Open it back up.
That could have just flown up at any second.
Why didn't you open it back up?
That's why.
Fuck.
You already know it's just leaking. A lot of people made me doubt the color. You know, like is that what color are you doing? Is that primer? You know? Like,
Oh yeah.
but look at it, dude. It looks perfect. Like that doesn't look out of place at all. So it's very clean.
Oh yeah.
And tell me not. You can't even tell me that this doesn't even bother me, dude.
It doesn't.
That doesn't bother me at all when I look at that.
Yeah. That's awesome right there. I can't wait to wrap it. It's gonna look even better with the wrap, with the color, with the bay.
Either that or we paint it.
Painting's gonna be a bitch. I mean, it's gonna be sick, but painting is just gonna be, you know, a pain. It's fucking wet sand and sand over again, and then detail it. And if I get hit, we have to do that process over again. I'd rather just wrap. I'd rather just wrap. Peel off the access. Just put a fucking wrap over like a stamp.
Yeah, I suppose so.
Because it's a drift car too, honestly.
But like, you're gonna have mad colors.
No, it's just gonna be red, one color.
And this. Oh, the cowl will cover that though.
Yeah, the cowl will cover that. The only thing it won't be covered is the inside here. Oh yeah, that's normal. You see that on every car.
But not that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
That's the hood's black too, so. Or is it?
Yeah, hood's black. It's not blue.
It's pretty clean. I love it. Dude, this was all in the ground. I mean, there's still a few things on the ground, but it's sick. No oil leaks too whatsoever.
Yeah, I didn't see any.
I didn't see any either.
Tomorrow we'll look more.
So,
if we can find that part.
Hell yeah. Alright, so that's it for today. Honestly, the next video, I don't know when that will come out. I think it's just going to be an update of driving it. I'm not sure if I'm going to film another video of doing the pulley replacement on it for the water pump, but I think that's just it for now. I mean, we got it running. That was the biggest thing. Not going to take it home tonight, but eventually once we get everything replaced that's needed, we'll probably get it to where it needs to be for the time being until I need to tune it. We're pretty much good. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.